Oh, hang on. I think we're back on. I think we're back on, guys.
Yeah.
Yep. Sorry for that, we had a slight technical problem.
Darren took the live stream in to look at the night vision camera, and it just
Hopefully lost it all.
went. So I do apologise about that. But we're back on, and we're going to try some more EVPs. We've been round with the
Spirit box and EVP. We've got an EVP to listen from your bathroom, which I think you've got, haven't you, Dave?
yes,
No.
some here.
I've got it.
Darren's got
it's
it.
on table.
Somebody, do you want to see this? What someone's just sent us on Messenger who's been watching?
Yep. We just
Wow.
had a message through.
From Philip Croxford. Whilst your broadcast was pausing, I caught this face in the corner.
Whoa! Look at that.
So where's that? Hang on.
That was when you went round and it went off.
Who sent that in?
Philip Croxford.
Right, Philip Croxford, if you're on, thanks for that. That's a proper awesome capture. That I don't know if you can quite see it.
But we'll post it to his page, and people can have a look at it. And
Yeah,
Right.
we'll put it on his Facebook
Can you
page.
see it better now? That's Gail, I presume.
yeah,
Yeah, there.
That we're looking at. What's that?
There's nothing even there because it's out at bar, do you know what I mean?
That's awesome. That you seen it, Maggie?
You've just sent it in there on the phone.
He looks like me.
Were you around back?
no, because
No, but that's out of the bar, you were behind bar then, weren't you?
shall we listen to this EVP?
Twin. I've got a twin.
It's
That's
on
awesome.
No
that.
one could be stood there, there's nothing to stand there, do you know
Sit
what I
there,
mean?
Abs. Ask some questions.
Let's listen to it and see whether we get anything.
That's me putting it on.
Yeah.
Session 3. We're in public house, men's toilets. Okay. Right. Just like to introduce yourselves again. I'm Darren. I'm Dave. I'm Maggie. I'm Wendy. We mean no harm. Or we have a good time. Living life in silence. No, I'm just thinking of a nice. Living life in silence.
There's whispering there.
Just like to introduce yourselves again. I'm Darren.
Swear down, says no.
I'm Maggie. I'm Wendy. We mean no harm. Or we have a good time. Living life.
Just before she said living
I
life.
heard it.
No, I'm just thinking
Go
of
back.
a nice and merry.
Play it a few times.
Or we have a good time. Living life.
It sounds like it said no just before she says living life.
We mean no. Once again, I'm Darren. I'm Dave. I'm Maggie. I'm Wendy. We mean no harm. Or we have a good time. Living life.
No.
in silence.
Just something before she
No,
opens
I'm
her
thinking
mouth.
of a nice and merry. Would you like a drink? That's Kayla. No reason to be scared of us. We just want to talk to you. Have a bit of a party. Like I said, I'm not here to argue in any way. Just communicate with us, please. What's your name?
Yeah.
We've already heard you say hello in the bar area. Is anybody in here wants to talk?
We're not here to scare you, we're just here to have a chat. Be friendly. That's Gail.
Does George, if that's your name, do you come in here? It's a bit of a meeting point.
Do you just tap? Can you tap again, please? You know what a slight tap?
It might have been this. This just it won't.
Alright.
If I'm not on the wall, do you copy?
Try that again.
That's why we're knocking at wall, aren't we?
Try that again.
There was something
There was something after that, weren't there?
You can just hear one.
Try that again.
Yeah.
But we heard two when we were in there.
There was something like that. Just try again. Copy me.
Nothing that time.
Come on, do it again. After me.
Go back.
I think it's Gail.
I think it is.
Come on, do it again. After me.
Yeah, okay.
Can you whistle?
That's Gail.
Can you whistle?
Okay.
No, but it sounded like a...
It sounded like a bit of a distant scream to me.
That's Gail.
Sin?
Yeah, but we tagged it. It's Gail.
Yeah, did say, didn't we?
Or is it a moaning noise?
Alright, we're going to make us way back in.
So, we've got best EVPs on this table. Obviously talking to the young chap here called George.
We're all thinking about me then.
I said young.
Ah,
So, I'm thinking, should we try one more here, see if he'll talk to us?
yeah,
See if he's in the mood for a bit of a party before we went other side?
yeah.
And try that? Yeah?
Right, what I'm going to do is another EVP session here, because it seems to be active.
Yeah.
Just round about here. And then we're going to go into the other side of the bar, if that's alright with Gail. Right. Okie dokie.
Thumbs up.
So, here we go. EVP session 4. Railway Public House, Blackburn Road. I hear you like to party. Have fun. Is that true?
Can you knock on the underside of this table?
Can you move anything on this table? Do you like to dance?
Did you live and work in this area? Did you use this place as a post office?
How many is there? I've got a feeling there's about 4 of you.
Did you drink here?
Did you party here? Is this where you met your loved ones?
Do you know where Dad's bin is? That's to ask.
We did.
Did you used to come in here from work to get warm? Because you always sit near the fire.
Or is it just the best corner to fall asleep in?
Was your body stored here in the Great Sheffield Floods?
Try.
Yep, try that.
EVP session 4. Railway Public House, Blackburn Road. I hear you like to party. Have fun. Is that true? Can you knock on the underside of this table? Can you move anything on this table? Anything on this table?
Whispering now, isn't
Yeah.
it? Bit further.
On this table.
There's something, but
It
it's
sounds like there's faint
very
whispering.
faint.
Do you like to dance? Did you live and work in this area? Did you use this place as a post office? How many is there? I've got a feeling there's about 4 of you. Did you drink here? Did you party here? Is this where you met your loved ones? Do you know where Dad's bin is? We had to ask. We did.
Did you used to come in here from work to get a warm? Because you always sit near the fire.
Or is it just the best corner to fall asleep in?
Was your body stored here in the Great Sheffield Floods? Just try it. Yep, try that.
Seems to have gone a little quiet, doesn't it?
I'm just
Yeah.
wondering if it's worth.
Are we right to go around other side, Gail, where you are?
Yeah, of course you are.
I'm wondering
try and do.
if it's worth.
Are you recording what times you've asked those questions?
They're all on recorders, so
Right.
I'd have to go back on because it doesn't tell you until you go back onto them after.
Right, okay.
Would it be worth leaving the recorder on in
Right,
here
see the cameras from up here.
while we're in there?
I don't know what's what though, because it'll just pick up from the other side.
He's
Yeah, but
answering
what
your
I'm saying
questions, you know.
Pardon, Sally?
He's answering your questions.
Right.
There's a no every time there's a yes.
In what? In this area?
When you say, was your body stored here, there's no.
Right.
When you say, did you go for a warm after work, there's a no. Did you meet your loved one here, there's no.
Right.
There's different questions, there's different, like,
Yeah.
this I can see over here. But yeah, you're very welcome to come over here.
What Gail's saying is, I don't know if you heard it or not.
Can't see much over here.
She's watching the night vision camcorder up there.
I'm watching the live camera.
Yeah. And when we're asking questions, when the answer like should be, or we think it's going to be a yeah, there's a bit of a orb going off around here. When we think might be a no, there ain't nothing. So it is responding.
Is it party here? No.
No. Yeah. So when we think it would be a yeah to answer, that's when we're getting activity. But we're going to go into the other side at bar now, try in there. See what happens over there.
Should we set motion detector up? Or will
Yes, we're going to set. That's a good idea, that does. We'll set motion sensor up
See if we can put
in
it
here
there.
because we know for a fact there's no in here. If we're not in here, it's still down here. Yeah. Right, we'll take SP7 and
I'm just thinking, would it be worth leaving EVP code on the table? Yeah, she's going to pick up us asking questions in the other room. But if they're in here, they might answer.
put that shit in here.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah, can do. Yeah.
You know that whisper
Yeah.
that we could hear? That Philip Croxford said he thought it said, no, there's three, very faintly.
Gail, yellow, right.
I said I thought
We'll have to go back over
Coming
that.
round to you. Can I
Yeah.
have one of these, please?
Yellow. Are you having a break now, yeah?
And
Put the light
quickly,
on.
because there's
That's
something
it.
on.
Do you want to just put that battery back on?
Can you put light on? Oh,
Yes.
for a minute then, while we...
So I can
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
Lights are going back on, so
Well, not that, but it goes back.
I want to just leave
Sorry.
it off, turn it off until we're ready again.
Well, live stream.
Leave it on your phone, we'll have a chat. So
I need one light on just so I can.
Maggie's going to have a caffeine.
Yeah, can I give you coffee? Oh, that's fine.
It's a charger.
strange, you know, because you have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're down to 30 grams and
Yeah.
Right.
And I can see on the
We're going to get some
camera.
power in that.
Yeah.
Take a few items.
Thing is, getting some
Maggie's just going to have a
You can't always pick
I've
up
got
because
smoke in the
it's
room.
toilet.
so when you
We're going to leave
We've got recorder, I'm
EVP
gonna roll to do
recorder there, the other one.
recording,
Come on then.
And we're going to take one with us, plus SP7, plus the EMF and temperature gauge.
That's why I was there. Sat and went quiet. Right.
Yeah, pretty, that, yeah, 'cause then,
Sat and I was quiet,
Maggie,
went in
we're just
there,
going to
sat
put
and
this
quiet.
motion sensor on, but it's going like that, about
No,
there anyway.
it doesn't.
What,
no,
is it not going to pick that up in the mirror though?
it should do.
You shouldn't pick all up in there, I can't imagine.
It's going to have to
Think
be
when
a
it breaks.
Nescafe love.
They've been, you know what I mean?
You what?
Rather than-
It's going to have to be a Nescafe.
It's
Do
okay.
you want one of them in case it goes off? All you have to do is point at it if it goes off. If like you're all in. Where?
I'll come round, help me.
Come on.
Darling.
No, it's
Um,
after
Abs-
till going because I'm going to
Dave, do you know that
I've got
photo?
one.
You know that picture that he saw on his phone?
Yeah, like foot.
Where he saw that face?
That bag.
Could it be through the
Yeah.
mirror?
No, it was on that side.
Yeah,
It's
on
that back.
side, but I'm wondering if it's that bag.
Let me have a look.
It does look like a face though.
I know it
Face.
does.
Yeah.
I'd have to have a look
Whether
at it
it's
properly.
pyramidal,
From behind you.
whether it's that word.
Yeah.
Does somebody know what that word is? That pyramid,
Peripheral.
not peripheral, that's when you see out of the corner of your eye, innit? But there's another word called pyramidal. I can't remember what you call it.
Is this something like
Well, that's when
Is
you-
this something like
That's when
pareidolia or something?
Yeah, it's when your
Something
brain
Oh.
makes.
What's an eating on?
She's freezing, I'm sweltering.
I'm made up.
I'm like,
I keep getting, while I've been sat there, I keep having a cold draft.
Yeah,
it's,
Just-
it's, it's,
Yeah, I've had a cold drop while I've been sat on
so you now,
there.
he's
Put it
here.
around my legs, around me.
I'm telling you now, he's here.
Oh yeah.
I know he's here. And he's
I've got a
fucking
feeling
around,
he is.
and I've been like talking over there, saying like, come on, Joe, come on.
He ain't got a dog with him, has he?
Yeah, are you kidding me? Yes, he has.
A little one.
I weren't going to say
Little-
nothing.
little,
That's all right.
Wiry terrier fucking.
I don't know what it is, it's
gingy
just-
fucking little mingy thing.
This just feels like a little thing because
Yeah,
while
yeah.
I've been sat there, it keeps
Yeah, he fucking
going past
has,
back of
yeah.
me.
Do you know, I weren't going to say oh, because I thought, no, it's just me. When I'm sat here like this,
No.
earlier,
so wiry terrier little fucking ginger
I
thingy.
felt something brushed past my
Yeah.
leg.
Yeah, I felt drafts
Yeah,
on my
yeah.
legs
I
down
thought
when
it
I've been
might
sat
have been
there.
draft, but we're almost like
No.
a brush.
See,
And
I
thought,
didn't.
no, Harry, I thought I'll forget about that in case it happens again, and then I'll say something. And I
Do
didn't
you know-
think say no until you just
While I
said,
was
Yeah.
sat here, it's as if summer has gone from.
like
Yeah.
it jumps out the sea.
I haven't felt it
It-
jumped
I-
on.
I'll tell you what it looks like.
That corner.
I'll tell you what it looks like, and I don't know, because it's like fucking 18, 90, 100 years ago. I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like a...
I've got Jack
Can
Russell.
you remember Split the Dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bob
That's it.
Cannelly's.
That's
Like
it.
a little ruffian dog.
That's
thing,
it.
isn't
Split the Dog.
I wonder if you were a chimney sweep.
That's what it reminds me of. Split the Dog, I'll tell you now. Split the Dog.
You see, I've got more like a Jack Russell type.
No. No, I've got a ginger little mingy.
Well,
Little
that what I felt were
Well done,
about,
when you went...
about there.
Mm.
That height.
No,
It's
I've
just
not-
I keep having, when we've been
I've
sat
not
here,
got Jack Russell.
you know like we did at Queen's Head,
Yeah.
where I had a cold patch, it was as if someone had just put paws on,
Yeah.
as if to
Looking
try
up.
and come up onto my leg under the table.
It's quite good here.
I've got a little ginger thing, mate. I've got a little ginger minger.
One of them like little ruffian dogs, isn't
Yeah.
it? One of them.
Yeah, I
I know
have,
what you
yeah.
mean, exactly
That's
you
what
mean.
I've got. That's what
Yeah.
I've got. And he sits there. He's got a flat cap on. He's got a fucking scarf on,
I'm wondering if it's a chimney sweep from Industrials.
which sounds like a bit like yeah, all right. It's going to be like that, isn't it? But no, that's what I get. And he's lovely. He's lovely. He's so sweet. He's so loving. He's so.
Or gamekeeper.
He, I don't feel anything. Do you know when I shut up at night and it's total blackness, total darkness? I don't even use the not the camera. Everybody else uses the camera on the phone. I don't even use a torch to walk through. I just walk through the building. I say good night, sweeties. God bless. There's nothing nasty. Nothing. And he's so sweet and he's so loving.
Yeah.
Nah, you.
He is. He's
Seems.
it's like my granddad,
We've not had
which is really weird.
We've not had none of the what we normally get sometimes is get out
No,
and things like that.
no, he's lovely.
We've not had any of that, have we? So.
No, he's lovely.
It seems
He's
to be
lovely.
responding to something we were doing.
Oh, he's
There's
lovely.
been a few
He's
recordings
lovely.
we've got to
But the others
yes,
don't
no.
like it because the others would come through.
Yeah.
But while you're over there, I'm watching over there, and I can see bits like flying around.
Yeah.
But normally it's like a stream of them.
Mm.
It is a stream of them.
Well, do you guys want to make your way through that
Yeah.
way? I'll
Yeah,
set this
set
one
this
going. So,
Can I roll a cigarette first so I don't make a noise when you're actually
Come on.
so yeah, do you want to turn lights off on
I've
this
been
side?
Thomas of the
Can you
clan.
not do it? It's just not going to set all this.
Yeah, can I roll for you? I really don't. Yeah, yeah, and there's been a couple of bouts on there as well. It's a low
But she
one.
says, like, on camera, when you see herbs, they're always in that side, not this side. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She says they're always in that room.
Oh, we got it.
I know exactly what I am. Sorry. No, sorry.
Keep going,
Come in here. Come in here. Move that
Out the
way.
way.
Right. I'm out the way.
I forgot you could go that way.
I'm out the way though. I'm out the way.
Right. Until Dad gets here because he's going to be walking about and we're just going to EVP.
Right, motion sensors on it now. Once it goes off.
Right, next one we're doing is will be 62 on D.
So it'll be right now. We should see us in that side while we're in here.
Well, we've got the same thing.
And I've got EVP recorder.
Do you think it's this?
Have a look. Show viewers.
That
what it might be.
picture
There's a picture.
with a face. Do we think it's that?
Could it be that?
That's cellophane. Could be that.
Is that the picture?
Well, Laura's just sent it. It's same. Kind of same
Yeah,
picture.
but if you're on this side, hang on.
Let me just turn that on. Let's flash.
No. That can't be that.
Why?
It looks like me.
Move your finger.
Like that cellophane.
It's not you.
Because look at that. That's that.
Yeah, you were You were like that. You were like this.
No, it would be behind me. Facing that way.
No, because that's clear on there.
Well, no, but that's because it were breaking up. That's when it were breaking up.
It could be.
It could be.
We can have
We've
a-
got to put it down to that, haven't we, really? Because
But hang on a minute. You're not seeing a reflection of that, are you? Because you're only going to see half of that then, aren't you?
Yeah. I'll let people decide what they want to think it is.
you decide.
You decide.
Right. I'm sure where we're going next. EVP. Going late. EVP session. 5. In the other side of the railway public house.
On the other side.
On the other side,
Yes,
the
there's
pool
a
table room. Tap room.
Yeah, we said this is the big games room.
Games room. Right. I'm Dave.
I'm Darren.
I'm Abby.
This is Gail. You know Gail. Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder here.
Would you like to have a game of dominoes?
Or pull.
Or even a card game? Or a coin game? Do you know what year it is?
What's your favourite drink? Did you lose your life in the floods? Can you knock that ball into that pocket? Just get a little shove. Use our energies. Use all this power, all those batteries, use it everything you possibly want and push that ball.
Don't know if it's a bit light moving, but it does look like it's trying.
You got it probably
Light, I know.
go on. I know you can do it. Can you do it?
Can you tell us what you did for a living? Did you work on the railway?
Did you work in the pits?
Were you a ratter?
Try that.
Don't know if anybody else is, but my legs are aching like.
Mine are fine. Probably about 10 years of me on me alignment now. Anyway.
Getting late. EVP session 5-5
What was that?
in the other side of the railway public house. On the other side, the pool table room, tap room.
Yeah, obviously this is the big games room.
Games room. Right. I'm Dave.
I'm Darren.
I'm Maggie.
I'm Abby.
There's Gail. You know Gail. Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder here. Speak to this recorder here. There's Gail. You know Gail. Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder today, please.
Do you know what I got then in my head?
All you have to do is speak
Andrew.
to this recorder here.
Do you know what
I don't know why. What?
Mike.
Goodbye.
Here. Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder here.
Just have to use a name.
Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder here.
There's a very.
Could you give us your name today, please? All you have to do is speak to this recorder here.
Saying that sounds more like Warren.
Would you like to have a game of dominoes?
Or pool.
Or even a card game? Or a coin game? Do you know what year it is?
What's your favourite drink? Did you lose your life in the floods? Can you knock that ball into that pocket? Just get a little shove. Use our energies. Use all this power, all those batteries, use everything you possibly want. Push that ball.
It's a bit light moving, but it does look like it's dry.
Probably.
Right, I know.
Go on. I know you can do it. Can you do it?
Can you tell us what you did for a living?
Back of it.
Did you work on the railway? Did you work on the railway?
There's some that.
Something there.
On the railway?
There's a response, isn't there?
There's a response.
Did you work in the pits?
What's that?
Hmm.
What banging?
What banging?
On there.
Were you a raptor?
It's a clock.
Try that.
SB7? Try it.
You can try it in here.
And then perhaps maybe see if it just makes it sour for a bit.
Let's have a look. See.
The first time you asked that, I don't know what.
It's been quite fast and quite big.
Asking what?
A lot of it is dust.